Alright, RobisBored here. Very simple recipe for dessert crepes, breakfast crepes, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to start off with 2 eggs. One cup of flour. And 1 cup of milk. I'm going to add all of this into the blender. And we're going to blend it up real smooth. Okay, there you have it. It's like a very light pancake batter. So we're going to get our crepe and omelet pan here warm. I would say about like a medium heat is about what you're looking for. So usually the first crepe is usually the worst, just because you don't know what the temperature of the pan is and how everything is sitting yet. So you go ahead, you make your first crepe. What I like to do is I like to use a little stick of butter here. I'm going to fold it back a little bit. On the side. Alright, so I think our pan is ready. Give it a little butter here. And then what you want to do is you want to use about 1/3 of a cup crepe mix for each of your crepes. Pretty simple. You just put it in like as if you were making scrambled eggs or an omelet, and you're going to let it sit. And then you're going to give it a little bit of a it's going to be all dried up, so you just let it sit. Okay, it's ready to go. So what we're going to do is just get under it and give it a flip. Now that could use a little longer, a little more color to it, but like I said, the first one is usually the worst one. is what we're looking for. Let the other side brown up. So as you can see, as it cooks, it becomes a little more pliant on the pan, a little slippery, more slippery. Catch what I'm saying. Alright, so this can be a mildly time-consuming process. So what I typically do is I get a couple pans going. To expedite it. Okay, so while the crepes are cooking, I'm going to get the breakfast sausage browning up as well. So what I do is I try to cook it evenly on the majority of its sides, and then I do a little trick my mom taught, which is add a little bit of water and cover it. Basically, you're steaming them all the way through. Then when they're cooked, you're going to remove the cover and you're going to cook off all the water, browning all of the sausage in the process. So once the sausage is cooked all the way through, I basically just put it to the side. That allows me the time to prep the fruit while I am preparing the rest of the crepes. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take one of your freshly made crepes, dollop of your homemade whipped cream, and your sliced fruit. And you're just going to give it a light roll, and there you have it.